Motorcycles, according to me, are not for everyone. One needs to be a little cuckoo in the head and vicious in the heart. They lead us to experiences and adventures which most can only imagine or dream of. The bike brings out the child within, that child who wants to be free from all the hustle and bustle of the world and believes you can do anything when you are on two wheels. Today, I am here to lift the child within me, to travel the distance, and to do something which I always dreamed of, something which I always wanted to do, but always put off. Welcome to my channel. I am Prakashik, and this is my Parikrama. My obsession with mountains started right from my childhood days when I lived in Shillong. It's something different with mountains and hills. Be it the weather, the ambience, or the people, I wanted to relive those days and go the distance. On a quest like this, you need a friend, a companion, a mate, a colleague, a buddy, someone who is a bit of a nomad, a feel-good soul who rushes through life. And in this case, someone who also loves to capture the world through his amazing lens. And so, chapter 1 of the Parikrama series begins.
So we are about to enter Brahmaputra river, Saraighat bridge. This is Saraighat bridge, and it says that it will take around 3 hours 2 minutes. Our next stop will be at Bongaigaon, which is 149 kilometers. That's a really bad scenario. I hope no one is hurt.
See, my bike, which is the FZS V3 by Yamaha, which I call Phoenix, is of just 150cc. It doesn't have a radiator. Hence, to avoid overheating, one needs to take breaks every 100 kilometers, which we did.
Really nice. I'm enjoying the trip.
He's enjoying the trip.
So Bongaigaon is more 94 kilometers, and we are again off. We reached toll plaza, Dhalapara toll plaza. It's the Dhalapara toll plaza. बाइक का यही अच्छा है कि नहीं देना पड़ता है टोल वोल. So we crossed Dhalapara toll plaza. ফুল করে দাও। Oh, wait. 4.7 কিমান হৈছে 416 huh? So crossed a toll. We had stopped for a break behind, but unfortunately there was no food available, so we are on our way again.
Okay, so we had already covered a distance of 255 kilometers and our stomach were grumbling. But these open roads had a surprise for us.
So there are diversions in this patch. See, like here, if you take diversions and all, just like this one.
We were hungry, so we stopped at a dhaba.
Arijit, कहाँ हैं हम? Where are we right now?
We are in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere?
Yeah. Actually, we are 5 kilometers away from Srirampur checkpost and 260 kilometers from Manna.
Okay.
हम लोगों ने ये पूरा डिस्टेंस कवर किया है within 4 hours.
Within
It is a very
4
good time.
hours. Yeah, that's what. 4 hours. I didn't expect 4 hours.
260 kilometers we have covered in just 4
4
hours.
hours. That's really good. That's a really good number. Less amount of time. So Siliguri is halfway. Like we have done half of the tour, right?
Let's say around another 200 kilometers.
200 kilometers. So around another 4 hours, we'll be reaching Siliguri. That means the time right now is 9:30. So we'll be reaching at around 2:30, 1:30ish.
130. I mean, after you cross the Srirampur checkpost for another 50 kilometers, you will have bad patch of road. After that, you get the Makhanwala road.
Okay.
So when you get the Makhanwala road, you can
Easily cruise.
even ride.
Yeah,
अभी तो we have to be so careful. मतलब 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर का भी बाइक नहीं चला रहे हम लोग.
हाँ.
So slow जा रहे थे हम लोग.
Just
और ऊपर
before
से
trip.
the face pack, the all natural, all herbal, organic face pack जो लगा के चेहरे का कर दिया सब लोगों ने मिलकर. Surprisingly ये रास्ता 1 साल पहले भी ऐसे ही.
अभी भी ऐसा ही है.
अभी
No
भी ऐसा ही.
development.
अभी
Wow.
भी.
Great
हाँ.
job. What are we going to have now?
आलू पराठा खाएंगे भाई, लस्सी लस्सी पिएंगे और
Rasura Dabato.
We were absolutely full. Then we continued for Siliguri, crossing Srirampur Gate and finally entering West Bengal. So after traveling for another 212 kilometers, we entered Siliguri.
Traffic jam in Siliguri. The utter chaos.
And stopped at the famous Bhojohori Manna and had the non-veg authentic Bengali thali. We were absolutely full, but we had to move on to our ultimate destination, Darjeeling.
Towards Darjeeling. 3 घंटा लगेगा. 4:30, 5:30, 6:30. 6:30 तक पहुंच जाएंगे.
Yes, Darjeeling, the Queen of Hills.
So the mountains start. Okay, now the mountain. अरे पता नहीं क्यों but ठंडा लगना शुरू कर दिया. I know it's weird to ground level पे हो but hills देखने से मतलब वो ठंड वाला जो एहसास होता है ना वो आ ही गया already. Man, really excited to go to Darjeeling. वो ऊपर तक उठना है हम लोग को. Can you imagine? These are huge mountains. I don't know if you can imagine, can see the scale from this action camera, but it's huge. It's huge. Wow, this is the real excitement, bro, the turnings, bro, feeling excited.
The roads have become narrower and the winds have become colder. The perfect ambience to ride the bike. We started the ascent with a hairpin turn, which instantly reminded me to be very cautious while riding. Well, safety comes before everything, right?
Whoa! Look at that, man. Look at the view, guys. रुकने का मन था लेकिन रुक नहीं सकते यार. But it's worth it यार, it's worth it. इतना मेहनत करके जो आए हैं, like इसी में मतलब मजा है यार. Like मुंह से कुछ निकल नहीं रहा है, but yes. Man, look at that view, look at those mountains. नीचे से जो हम लोग देख रहे थे ना, फाइनली ऊपर आ चुके हैं. परिक्रमा, guys. This is परिक्रमा for you guys. यही है परिक्रमा. Yes, view. View के लिए you can die for. Man, I can see the roads. देखिए वहाँ पे. Oh my! Shit, man, shit, bro. Phoenix, you and I have made it. You and I have definitely, yes, that's the sun. Oh my. क्या हो गया आगे? ट्रैफिक जाम क्यों लग गया? ओके, ट्रक.
So we continued the ascent for around 1 hour and reached Kurseong. Seeing these breathtaking roads and the views, I was overwhelmed. I used to see this in videos, but experiencing it in real life has its own pleasure. amount of hard work we have been through in getting to this place has definitely been worth it. You have to come here physically to experience the same. And out of nowhere, the toy train rail lines appeared and was running parallel to the roads. The sun was setting, so we thought we should stop and experience the same.
So guys, ये जो व्यू है ना जो पीछे अब दिखाई दे रहा है, this view is worth coming. And जो मौसम है ना, लाइक अचानक से इतना ठंडा हो गया कि लाइक नेचुरल एसी, जो नेचुरल एसी होता है ना वैसा हो गया. एंड look at this view यार, एंड यहाँ पे ये रेलवे ट्रैक से यार, रेलवे ट्रैक से.
I was constantly thinking of when will a toy train pass by. भगवान ने सुन लिया and voila!
So finally, पहुँच गए.
See, every day, you and I, we feel the urge to do something crazy, something we haven't done before, and the most memorable of them goes on to your list. So I chose to cover this 500 kilometers in a day. So this is the end of chapter 1 of the Parikrama series.